In a quaint Italian town nestled between rolling hills and vineyards lived Alessia, a talented young artist. Her paintings captured the essence of love, but her own heart remained untouched. One fateful evening, while setting up her art stall, Alessia collided with a handsome stranger, Luca. Apologetic, Luca helped gather her scattered paintings, and their eyes met. Time stood still. Luca, a charming winemaker, returned daily to Alessia's stall, and they'd converse about art, life, and dreams. As sunsets painted the sky, their connection deepened. Alessia showed Luca her latest masterpiece, The Broken Heart. Luca, sensing the painting's sorrow, revealed his own heartbreak. Alessia listened, her empathy healing his wounds. Inspired, Alessia created The Mended Heart, a vibrant painting symbolizing their blossoming love. As Luca took Alessia to his vineyard, beneath stars twinkling like diamonds, he confessed, "You painted my heart with colors I thought were lost forever." Alessia's brushstrokes had not only restored Luca's heart, but also captured his soul. Their love grew like a vine, entwining their hearts. Hand in hand, they strolled through the vineyard, watching sunrises and sunsets, their love shining brighter with each passing day. Years later, Alessia's art studio became a sanctuary for couples seeking inspiration. Above her easel hung The Painted Heart, a testament to the love that had transformed her life. Luca would whisper, "Your brushstrokes painted are forever." Love can heal, restore, and transform. Sometimes all it takes is finding the right person to bring color and beauty to our lives.